Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So dear viewers, today I am back with another video. In this video you will see such a beautiful wall hanging ideas. All the ideas are very unique, gorgeous and so beautiful. So watch the video till end, which is very helpful for your home decor and enhance the beauty and charm of your home. So watch the video till end. Keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Keep liking my videos and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing unique updates. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a nice day.